Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss about solid shapes. In your earlier classes, you have studied that two-dimensional figure can be identified as the faces of three-dimensional shapes. Observe the solids which we have discussed so far. That is, we have discussed. There are some solid shapes, that is cuboid, cylinder, cone, cube, pyramid. Observe that some shapes have two or more than two identical congruent faces. Name them. Which solids have all congruent faces? That is cube. Now, we will find the surface area of a cube, cuboid and cylinder. Right? First of all, we find the surface area of a cuboid. Here you see, we found the surface area of a cuboid like this. The surface area of a cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This is the surface area of a cuboid, right? Now, we find the surface area of a cube. Here you see, the surface area of a cube is, here you see, the surface area of a cube is, how many surfaces there? 6 faces is there, right? Therefore, the surface area of a cube is, of side L is 6L square, right? Surface area of a cube is 6L square. And we'll find the surface area of a cylinder. The surface area of a cylinder we found here. Here you see the surface area of the cylinder. That is, surface area of this cylinder is 2 pi r into h. Therefore, the total surface area of a cylinder is equal to pi r square. This one is pi r square. This one is pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Therefore, total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r into h. This is 2 pi r into r plus h. These are the different formulas we got. That is, surface area of a cuboid, surface area of a cube, and surface area of a cylinder. Right? In the next exercise, we will do the problems. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.